Breaking news coming in, former Social Welfare Minister of Bihar, Manju Verma, has in fact surrendered before the court in Begusarai. Remember that Manju Verma had of course a few days back we had seen that the officials had moved to attach the assets of Manju Verma. She has been somebody who was connected in a way to the Muzaffarpur shelter home case. We can go across to my colleague Shyam over the phone line. Shyam, a dramatic development there that the former Social Welfare Minister Manju Verma has now surrendered before the court.
Well, yes, Manju Verma, former Social Welfare Minister who had been in controversy and was in the Muzaffarpur shelter home. And remember, after an affair was registered against Manju Verma and her husband, both had been gone into hiding. Now, during raids at the residence of Manju Verma across the state, few cartridges were found at the residence of Manju Verma at a Begusarai residence, after which an FIR was registered against her husband and Manju Verma. And remember, as we all know, that her husband had surrendered last week in the court there in Begusarai, and today Manju Verma had been in hiding, after which the Bihar government had approached the court for attachment of her properties, after which the court had granted permission, after which her properties were attached, and the police was on the lookout for Manju Verma. Raids were being conducted at several places. The opposition had been targeting the government and had alleged that it was the government which was hiding Manju Verma, but finally today Manju Verma has surrendered before the court in Begusarai.
That's right. Of course, this is a very a big development in this case, because we had seen over the several weeks now that the police had in fact been looking for them. A warrant had also been taken out against her. They had also moved to attach properties. And now we can see in this case that the former Social Welfare Minister has in fact surrendered herself. What are your police sources telling you now? What is the next step that they're going to take?
So certainly the police will be producing her before the court and will be asking for her custody. But we should also remember that this surrender is in connection with the cartridges which were found at the residence, the bullets which were found at the residence. It has got nothing to do with the shelter home case. The shelter home case is already being investigated by the CBI. So certainly this arrest is related to the bullets and the cartridges which were found at the residence. And Manju Verma and her family could not give details of the cartridges and the bullets. So certainly this arrest is important. Now it has to be seen as to what the CBI will be doing. Will the CBI also be asking for custody to question her in the shelter home case?
That's right. Of course, it's important to remember that this case comes because of bullets and cartridges being found in her residence. Shyam, thank you so much for joining us with those details.